I wasn't quite sure what to expect with these, but the quality surprised me straight away. These are the Barkbusters on my Honda NC750X. But the real question is, do they actually make a difference on the road? These are the Storm version, the largest in the Barkbuster range. I mainly went for them for wind and rain protection, especially on longer rides and in colder conditions, but also for a bit of added safety around the handlebars. They are definitely bigger than I expected, but once you're on a bike, they actually look really well balanced. And I have to say, I quite like the look of them. They don't feel out of place at all. From the front, everything just lines up really nicely. They also feel very solid, much more substantial than the standard guards. So you do get a sense that they'll offer proper protection, not just for the wind, but if the bike tips over as well. Alright, let's see what these are actually like on the road. I've been riding with them for a few days now, so I got a bit of a feel for them. First thing you notice, there's definitely less wind hitting your hands, especially compared to riding without them, or even to the previous wind shields I had installed on the bike. Out on more open roads, where you get a bit of more wind, that's where you start to notice the difference more. It's not dramatic, but it's definitely there. And in cold weather, with the heated grips, it makes a huge difference. It's actually more noticeable over time as longer you ride. Your hands just feel more protected. And overall, it makes the ride a bit more comfortable. So yeah, there is a difference. But there are a couple of things worth mentioning around the install. Installation wasn't completely straightforward, especially on the right hand side around the brake hose. In my case, I got an extension there, which made it a bit tighter to fit. On the left hand side, there is a lot of more space, so that was much easier, and there is enough space to mount a camera bracket or some other accessory. There are some really good installation videos out there. I will put a link into the description if you're doing this yourself. So overall, for me, they are worth it. It's one of those upgrades you do actually notice when you're riding, or only when you're riding, especially on longer rides and when there's a bit more wind or even rain. Around town, shorter trips, probably less noticeable, but overall I'm really happy with them.